Are you ready to transform your listings and close deals faster? Welcome to TidyTex Home Cleaning, where our retired Army veteran-owned service takes home staging to the next level. Picture this. A potential buyer steps into a home that sparkles and shines, every corner meticulously cleaned, and the ambiance is inviting. That's the impact our professional cleaning services deliver. We specialize in helping realtors prepare homes for sale, ensuring they look their absolute best for open houses and buyer visits. With our quick turnaround times, we can make your listings stand out in no time, giving you the competitive edge you need in today's market. And here's a tidy tip for realtors. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. This simple trick brightens the space, making it feel warm and welcoming. A well-lit home not only highlights its best features, but also helps buyers envision their future in the space. So don't leave the success of your listings to chance. Trust TidyTex to elevate your properties and create an unforgettable first impression. Ready to make your home shine? Check the video description for more details and contact us today. Let's elevate your listings together and turn those for sale signs into sold signs.